Pause PDA Program. So we've seen in the June release, we also spoke about PDA, patron-driven acquisitions. In June, we spoke about having a PDA alert. That is, when the acquisition is nearing a certain budget threshold, we wanted to receive a message, an alert that tells us, look, we're nearing the budget, and then maybe we want to do something about that. So in the July release, we have a new option to pause the PDA program. And that basically causes several changes in the PDA. The first is that no new records are imported. The second is that existing records of the PDA are suppressed from discovery. So the patrons can no longer see them and therefore no longer acquire them. And the third thing is that it is still possible to make orders. So if there was any pending orders that were ordered before you pause the program, those can still be completed. So let's take a look at how you pause a PDA program. Okay, so here we are in Alma and we want to pause a PDA program. So Alma menu, patron-driven acquisition. And let's create a new PDA. Status has to be active in order for the PDA to be paused. We'll select a vendor, Mimi's Monographs, select, and start date will be today. If we wanted to add the budget threshold like we've seen in the June release, that would be over here. For now, this is enough. We've created a new active patron-driven acquisition, the demo PDA. And now, let's say we want to pause this program. For example, we've received an alert that it's dangerously close to the budget. We want to buy more time to get more money. Meanwhile, we want to stop the patrons from driving more acquisitions, so to speak. And so we go to Actions, and we have a new option here, Pause. Confirmation message. Pausing a PDA program will make the resources that were not ordered unavailable to use. Are you sure you want to perform this action? So basically, Alma is telling us that the existing bib records will be suppressed and unavailable for the patrons. Confirm. And now we can see that the status of this PDA is paused. So basically, at this point, the records are suppressed. New bib records are no longer imported. And pending orders are still possible. This is different, by the way, than if you were to cancel a PDA, in which case orders are no longer possible. So now, in a similar fashion, if you want to resume the paused PDA, you go to Actions, Resume. Resuming a PDA program will make the resources available to use. Confirm. And once again, the status of our PDA is active. So that is how you pause and resume a patron-driven acquisition.